K-food is the mukbang of my life. When I dance, all the worries in the world disappear. Thinking
Look, all worries disappear. Let's eat.
Sensation overseas. K-spicy flavor.
이건 단순한 닭갈비가 아닙니다. 불닭과 치즈의 전쟁터죠.
Welcome to the K-Dessert Festival. Today, we share Korea's coolest treat, traditional 팥빙수.
This 팥빙수 is amazing. You have to try this. Oh wow, that is seriously good. I love the red beans. This is incredible. I've never had anything like it. So refreshing. To 팥빙수. Look at that, it's incredible. I know, I can't believe how beautiful Seoul is from here.